Welcome. Most people use sum and VLOOKUP, but there is one formula that replaces lots of complicated tricks, the sum product. I'll show you practical ways how to use it. Here's our sales data. Sum product multiplies corresponding element in arrays and then sums the result. But the trick is when you want to use it in condition, you can use it with conditional sums, counts, averages, unique counts and more, all in one formula. Let's see how. First, in one cell we will calculate the sum product by region taking as East. We will type this formula sum product start parenthesis give array of regions, and here we will give our region East because we want to get the sum of sales of only for the East region. Close parenthesis, multiplication sign, start parenthesis and give the sales amount as an array. Close the parenthesis. Hit enter. This returns 24,800. Now let's see how we can use the same formula with condition. We want to get the sum product of East region where the sales are greater than 5,000. We will type this formula equals sum product East region multiply, here we will give the condition where the sales must be greater than 5,000 and then multiply by the sales amount array, close parenthesis, hit enter and the result is 20,300. Sum product replaces many old hacks, conditional sums, counts, averages and even unique counts all in one. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe and tell me in comments which formula you want next.